Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome back to my channel Django World. So in last video, we have seen that how we can use login form which is pre-built in Django only. So in today's video, we are going to see how we can create our own form and design it because we can't design that pre-made login form which comes with Django, right? So we are going to do that. So let's get started. So let's jump to VS Code and here I'll first hide the terminal and I will import authentication form, right? So on the top of this sign up form I will create our login form. So class login user form and I will write this class name over here. I will disable my copilot and then here I will create another class meta, and here now we don't need model, so here I will pass only password. So sorry, fields is equals to list username comma password. Now I will copy design from the sign up form. So I will copy this method and the username, okay, and then the username code, paste it, and then I will just take this and paste it, and I will remove this password, then 1. I'll write only password. Now copy this login user form, go to views.py, go very above and import that. Now we need to replace only this authentication form with our login user form. Paste it and save. Come over here, refresh, we have got our form. Now we need to do one thing, that we need to separate this button from this field. So I will go to templates, authors, login, and here I will write empty 3. Save. Yeah, it looks good. Then let's see whether we are logging in or not. So admin and admin. Yes, we are able to log in, and click on logout. We are logged out. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. So in next video we are going to see how we can implement font awesome in our Django. Okay, so if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.